My name is Joshua Flores. I'm the owner of Steller Windows. We specialize in professional showroom and interior office glass cleaning for auto dealerships. I just wanted to take a moment to explain who we are, how we work, and how we support dealership management teams just like yours. So who are we? Well, Steller Windows is a nationwide window cleaning company, and we're proudly based in the beautiful Hudson Valley of New York, where the majority of our clients are located throughout the tri-state area. Our focus is long-term partnerships with professional environments, especially auto dealerships where presentation, clarity, and first impressions matter every single day. Your glass isn't just glass, it's part of the overall customer experience. Now, as far as what we do and how we do it, at Steller Windows we provide regular routine window cleaning services, whether that be seasonal or quarterly window cleaning services tailored specifically to dealership operations. Now, our work includes cleaning all of your glass, all of your perimeter windows that surround the building, all of your showroom windows, which are the large panel windows, interior and exterior cleaning. We also do your interior office glass cleaning. So many of the dealerships today have offices that have glass walls, glass paneling, glass doors. We will clean all of that for you. Now, for this, we'll use a hybrid professional approach. That means that we'll use traditional window cleaning techniques to cover the majority of your windows. So that means we will take a wet mop, we will scrub down the window, we'll take off all the debris, all of the things that have been caked on, the fingerprints, and so on, and then we'll professional squeegee the window down for precision, clarity, and detail. For the exterior windows, we'll use a pure water-fed system for the outside or exterior windows, allowing for spotless results without using chemicals or leaving any residue. So this combination ensures clean, streak-free glass while maintaining safety, efficiency, and consistency in the work. One of the things that sets us apart as a window cleaning company is that as we clean your large panel windows, your glass windows of your dealership, we'll go and wipe down all of the windowsills, all the windowsills where there's been dust and debris and water accumulation. We'll wipe all of that down for you so that they're nice and clean, spotless, and we'll take care of that for you so that the customers see that this is one clean dealership. And lastly, how we work with management. So we understand dealership operations, and we work with management, not around them. So that means that we have coordinated scheduling to avoid customer conflicts or disruptions. We have clear communication before and after services. We have reliable arrival times. And we are fully insured as a company, and we have professional technicians. And most importantly, we don't treat this as a one-time service for you. We focus on lasting business relationships built on trust, reliability, and excellent results. So we just wanted to get this brief video out there to all the dealerships, all the management teams out there, so you understand who we are and how we function. We're happy to take on your dealership, get those windows sparkling clean. So if you're looking for a professional, insured, and dependable window cleaning partner who understands dealership environments at affordable and competitive pricing, then we'd be happy to connect with you. You can learn more about us, or you can request information at our website, our official website, stellarwindows.com. So thank you for your time, and we look forward to helping your dealership look its absolute best with the help of Steller Windows.